Ready to create your first project? Here's an example to get you started: an employee satisfaction survey. This basic 3-page survey will include a range of question types, single question branching, and a few more custom settings. More advanced features will be covered in separate videos. Logging in, it's easy to see where to start creating a new project. Click Create Project and choose Survey. You might choose from the template bank, but you can always create something brand new. First, enter a title: Employee Satisfaction Survey. Then, organize this project into the right folder, confirm the primary language, and choose any additional languages. You won't be able to change the primary language, but you can always add more secondary languages later. Next, you'll see the project title across the top of the screen. Starting with Design, you'll see the rest of the process across each tab: Distribution, Reporting, and Data. From the top, add the logo and title on every page. Simple enough. Next, to add a question, pick from the menu of options on the left, then drag and drop onto the blank canvas. A common place to start is a radio button question. First, enter the question. Overall, how satisfied are you working here? The Edit menu pops up to show additional options. Then, enter the answer options. If a question is really important, like this one, mark it as mandatory. This question level menu also gives more options, like rearranging the answer options or changing their presentation order. Save and continue to add questions. Keeping the end report in mind, there is a right type of question for every question you want to ask. Next, a text box. A text box is a great way to find out what my employees think, but you can also set size and character limits to focus their responses. Click the corner of the box to extend the size, then set the character limits. You can even format the box to only accept certain types of content, but in this case, words make the most sense. To share a piece of information, like an introduction, descriptive text can help to clarify or set expectations. Again, drag and drop to the top of the page, then enter the content. Fast forward and all the questions are in. To make sure you're asking each employee the right questions, use single question branching. Branching is a page-to-page function that lets you decide the path employees should take based on the answers they provide. In this case, some employees should be asked about the employee benefits program, and some should not. To add branching, find that decision question, click on Logic, and select Single Question Branching. Confirming the path for each answer option, save the choices. Wrapping up the content, review, and run spell check. Then, customize the survey's appearance to match the organization's style guide. The logo is a good start, but under Visual Settings you can also customize the style, colors, and text. Save this theme for future use, then preview the appearance on web, tablet, and mobile. Looks good. Wrapping up the design, start thinking ahead. Why not set up an instant thanks email that's sent to all participants? Nice! Plus, set up expiration rules now, so everything's set before turning your attention to distribution.